Hey Lauren, Trent here with Tameron Honda. First and foremost, thank you so much for your recent internet inquiry on one of our all-new 2017 Honda Fits. Have one in crystal black pearl right here behind me. As you can see, we have got tons of new features available on these Honda Fits. They're decked out. You have a ton of different available trim packages. You can get them with the push button start, the moon roofs, the touch screen, loads of safety features, one of the best rated vehicles in its class per Kelley Blue Book, top safety pick plus, absolute safest vehicle in our competing segment. And here at Tameron Honda, we are a 13-time Honda President's Award winning dealership. So you are going to get an A1 service when you come here, unlike any other dealership in the metro area. So call me today at 205-504-2358. My name is Trent, and I'll be your personal product specialist here at the dealership when you arrive. And as always, when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.